May isang umaga, ako'y ginising ng huni.
First session or first episode of our special program. We have a special guest today who will be introduced later by Trisha. Today, our special guest will talk about how to take care of our mental health. No? Later after this, we will introduce our very special guest. So our purpose of doing this is to monitor everyone, no? Everyone in the team to check how you are doing. And I believe this is important for us, the advisors, the tatay, the tito, and the elders of the PMF family to know how you are doing. Another one is this is a very good venue for the PMF and Angels to know the PMF members abroad and in other places in the Philippines. So far, I think ang familiar lang sa inyo is si Sir Jojo Saison, si Dr. Ted, at saka si Kuya Enrico. I believe so. Parang siya lang yata yung na-meet nyo in person. So by our special program, Project Michael Angelo Kamustahan Online, you will get to know the other PMF angels who live in Israel, in the US, PMF angels in Manila, para makumustahan and you will know them better. Okay, to start the ball rolling, may I request Harley to introduce our special guest.
I am Harley, and I was tasked to introduce our guest speaker for today. So our speaker for today has been a PMF Angel since September 8, 2018. He graduated with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy and was an active student leader since his primary years. He survived the city life when he was a young boy by being a street vendor, and this humble beginning helped this smart kid to eventually succeed in life. And now, together with his family, he is living and currently working in Singapore for 12 years. Standing 5'4" tall with a handsomely brown complexion and medium body build, 46 years young, and a loving husband and a father of two, it is my honor to introduce to you our guest speaker for today. All the way from Singapore, Sir Emang the Giant Lacheca.
Hello, hello. Thank you very much,
Hello,
Hardy.
hello. Thank you very much,
And
Hardy. And
and I'm so overwhelmed with your introduction.
overwhelmed with your introduction.
All right. Going back, I hope na pagkape na kayo and pag-almusal. Naka-ready bang tubig ninyo on your table just in case mapahaba ang ating usapan? And
meron pa tubig.
good. We always be prepared and parang nakaugalian na natin yan. And stay on alert in any case. I can see Whiplash, Scorpio, Libra, Guardian, and of course, ang atang tatay rondel nyo, Deacon, Grace, hi Carla. I'd like to acknowledge everyone in this meet up, in this kamustahan. Medyo ilang ako. Alam ni Tatay Rondel nyo yan. Although I'm your guest speaker, but I'm speaking in behalf of what I have experienced personally. So in my 12 years of working here in Singapore, and as well as in my 46 years of life, especially dun sa part ng introduction na I was once a street vendor, we'll go along that line. I'm not speaking here like a professional with a background on that matter, but I think still speaking in behalf of what is my life experiences, ma-share ko sa inyo, malaking bagay yon, especially during this period of time na may pandemya. So again, this thing all started just last Monday when I was trying to reach out to your Tate Rondel, and I was like trying to communicate with him for some upcoming event. I'm not sure whether na-share na sa inyo ni Tate Rondel nyo. So, but at the same time, medyo eager na rin akong talagang makausap siya, not just simply makipag-chat. Because I feel kailangan kong magkaroon ng human interaction aside from the normal way of sending messages, chat, PM, or text. So, can I just ask someone, anybody? Total, I'm very much sure kaya niya naman nasagutin to. Any idea or anything you want to say about this kamustahan? I just want to hear also from you. When your Tate Rondel invited you to join, and when your Tito Eman, the giant, try to initiate this thing. Actually, it's your Tate Rondel's idea, but when I try to digest kung ano yung idea ni Tate Rondel nyo, based on what we have last Monday, I automatically supported. Kasi napakalagang bagay talaga itong mga ganitong pagkakataon. Lalo na ang isa't isa yung malayo. I'm sure most of you like naka-online, naka-home base. So it's very critical that we reach out at any given time, lalo na sa inyong mga angels ng Project Michelangelo Foundation. So, anything you want to say before I can continue? Okay, Harley.
Okay, so good morning, sir. So, for me, thankful po ako, sir, na meron tayong ganito kasi considering the pandemic and all the stress that is that we are going through. Recently nga, sir, meron kaming from Tribo, who committed suicide. Tapos, it's very stressful for all of us, and this is somewhat like an outlet for us to connect to others, sir, where we can share and, talk to others other than staying at their houses and ganyan.
Thank you, Harley. Basically, yun ang pinaka-importante dun sa bagay na nangyari sa amin ni Tate Rondel nyo last Monday. We may say, kamustahan, I'd like to know what is your situation, or I want to say, kamusta kayo? During that time, when I started chatting, video call with your Tate Rondel, but along the way, napagtanto namin, especially ako, I think Tate Rondel also, na ang gusto ko palang kamustahin ay yung sarili ko. So basically, it's like, it doesn't matter kung sino nagsimula. At the end of the day, habang nag-uusap kayo, kinakamusta mo na siya, kinakamusta na kita, kinakamusta mo na sarili mo. So that's what happened nung nag-usap kami ni Tate Rondel last Monday. And so then he came up with this idea. And like I said, I automatically fully supported. Because ever since naging PMFO, it was really like a personal passion na sa akin na to support yung ating foundation. Dating si Pres Jojo, si Doc Ted, Tate Rondel nyo, si Kuya Enrico nyo. So what I did was, back in 2012, binuo ko yung high school batch ko, yung class namin. And from there, ako yung gumawa ng support para dun sa mga batchmates namin. The main objective kasi is to support, most especially financially, because I'm here. If there are some things like we can support them in any other means, we also do. But literally, ang naging focus noon is makasupport kami sa mga batchmates namin na nangangailangan o naghihirap during those times. For whatever reason, like may sakit or financially bound whatsoever. So, again, first time kong na-meet si Doc Ted, I was like stalking him since 2016 because a friend of mine introduced, not really introduced, a friend of mine sabi niya sa akin, Pres, I think merong isang tao na ipapakita ko sa isa Facebook. I think magiging interesado ka. Nakita niya sa akin. So si Doc Ted, I sent a friend request to Doc Ted back in 2016. Pero hindi niya ma-accept. Maybe hindi niya, and then I just follow Doc Ted sa Facebook. So, luckily, March in 2018, meron siyang speaking engagement dito. So, I invited him. And so, we personally met. And then, from that time on, we got connection. And then, in September 2018, I was formally recognized as an official PM Angel with the recommendation of Dr. and formally recognized by our President, Jojo Saison. So again, so anything, pag sinabing kamusta, okay, we hope, okay, we don't use the word hope, we mean we are okay. And when I say kamusta, I mean kamusta. Okay tayo doon? Okay?
Instead of having parang coffee breaks or commercials, yung mga breaks natin in between lectures will be, kumusta ka?
Yeah,
And you will going to mention a name. And once your name is mentioned, that's the time that you will introduce who you are, what is your situation, to us and to our resource speaker.
Yeah.
So every time you are asked, kumusta ka, that's going to be a long answer. You will introduce yourself. Let's try.
Let it out. Let it out.
Yeah.
Let it out. Kasi katulad nung nangyari sa amin ni Tatay Rondel yun nung Monday, talagang hindi man ako umiyak. Pero we can feel, Tatay Rondel can feel na I was checking on myself. Yung approach ko, I was checking on Tatay Rondel, I was checking on you. Don't get me wrong also, I was also checking on everybody else. But at the same time, this is how I work. This is how you should know your P2M and the Giant. I always make a twist or I tweak the situation in a way, makikita ko, parang nag-check and balance ako. Siguro sa nature ng trabaho ko. Then, nasa field ako ng accountancy finance. So, ganun ang ginagawa ko. So, pag ganun, okay na ako. Nakamusta ko na kayo. Nalaman ko na kung anong sitwasyon. And then, nakamusta ko na rin yung sarili ko. Tapak ko na yung balikat ko na. Okay, Eman, you already did your part. You have done your best. Maybe next time again. And then also maybe, let's see other PM Angel to do the same thing. I agree. Scorpio. Musta ako si Scorpio?
Hello po, sir.
Ojak sign ko yan eh.
Simple tayo, sir. So, ako nga pala si Juan and let me introduce myself. Ako nga pala si Chris Sabo. My call sign is Scorpio. So, for now, kung sabihin kumusta, medyo okay at medyo naman hindi. Kasi sa panahon kasi ayun, even though sanay na ako sa parang lumalaban sa buhay, pero ngayon parang parang nahihirapan ako eh. Parang I feel parang may kulang. Kasi in between sa family problem and saka sa school. So parang nahati yung ko ba. So palagi kapag pumupunta ako sa office ni tatay, nakikita lang tatay, ngumingiti ako, ganyan. Nakikiusap. Pero deep inside kasi, minsan naano ko na parang hindi naman stress, hindi naman depressed, pero parang laging may umaano sa isipan ko na makakaya ko ba, parang inaano ko yung sarili ko, instead na i-push, parang sabi ko hindi ko na yata to kaya, pero 13 pala, 13 August 10, 2013 nawala si mama, so parang ang feeling ko noon ay muntik na akong ma-depress. Kasi bago pa lang nawala si Papa, tapos lumipas yung isang taon, si Mama na naman ulit. So, I'm just thinking to suicide that time. Naiiyak ako, sorry.
Okay lang yan, okay lang.
Okay lang.
Ayos lang yan.
That's fine.
I was thinking that time to commit a suicide after the funeral mass of my mother. So, actually, nandun ako sa gitna ng daan. Supposedly. Bigla kong, kinuha ko ng uncle ko. Parang inablot ba? Ba't daw, pumupunta ako. Kasi, wala na ako sa katinuan noon eh. At yun, parang there's someone to save my life, to give another chance to parang to survive, bumangon ka, tapos may mga sinabi sila na kaya siguro kinuha sila ng maaga sa'yo kasi may plano ng Diyos para sa'yo. So yun, hanggang ngayon pinanghuhugutan ko yun, tapos napatuloy ko sa buhay, ganyan, lumalaban, nag-aral, hanggang nakagraduate ako ng senior high. Tapos, pumunta ako ng college na, parang nakikipagsapalaran ba kung makapagpatuloy. Tapos, yung kumuha na pare nung kinuha ko sa kumbento, yun rin yung nagpaaral sa akin ngayon. So, dito rin ako pinatira sa seminary para may guidance. Anyan. So, ito ngayon, at saka nakita ko rin yung PMF family at naging yung emptiness na dati kong inaasam-asam sana ay napunan dito sa family na to. So, kaya I'm blessed na marami akong pamilya, kaibigan at mga kapatid na nakikita.
How did you find PMF, Chris, Scorpio? When was the first time na you met the PMF?
First time I met the PMF when nakalimutan ko yung year. Basta dun sa school namin, yung sa batch namin kasi kami yung first batch na may DRRM courses. So yung principal po namin ay parang ng invitation to invite someone to teach DRR. So sila tatay yung nakita nila, tapos nakita ko sila tatay doon. At parang at first parang naengganyo ako ba, parang gusto kong pumasok sa ganyan para makatulong din sa iba. Na parang gusto kong makatulong sa iba, makasave ng buhay, parang ganyan. Matulungan ko rin yung parang hindi lang sa parang parang makita ko yung halaga ng bawat buhay kapag may parang marami kang magkakasama ba. So that was the first time na kasi gusto ko rin sanang ano ba tawag? Hirap ng Tagalog lang.
Sige lang. Okay lang. Kahit Bisayahin mo, tapos ipapaliwanag sa ni Tatay Rondel.
Itatry yung best ko na magtagalog para masanay-sanay din. Yung time na yun is parang parang sabi ko kung gusto ko sanang pumasok sa ganyan. dito ako napadpad sa Bukidnon. Sa Bukidnon, sa BSU. So, yun. Pag sabi ni pag recruitment na, may mga contact kasi ako na may taga doon din sa amin. Sabi ko, yeah, pag recruitment na, sabihan mo ako kasi mag-apply ako. Baka sakaling tanggapin ako. At yun, so natanggap ako. So, luckily, I'm blessed na sa new organization at saka new environment ay sa college kasi pag first time kasi mag-isa ka lang. So, parang new environment, wala kang magkakasama. So, wala ka pang kaibigan. So, parang naiilang ka. So, at that time, parang yung connection sa isa't isa ba na pagbuo sa pagpasok namin is parang we feel welcome. So, this family. So, yun, parang siguro dito ko makita yung ma-fulfill ko yung mga empty, mapunan ko yung mga empty space na ko dati, kulang ko dati. So, yun. Yan po.
Bro, si Chris is actually a product of Mission Rich. Di ba meron akong mission sa Hinterlands?
Yeah.
Kaya yung when we brought the mission in the mga communities, mga schools, ang intention talaga is to introduce them to community service. Hindi yung maging hero. Kaya nagtaka ako when Chris explained kung paano o bakit gusto niyang sumali. And I recall, yun pala yung sabi namin sa kanila, na we're doing this for free. We teach communities so that these communities will be empowered and they will help others. Parang best example tong si Chris.
Okay. Scorpio, I have
Yes,
three
po.
things to say dun sa'yo. Sa shinare mo sa amin. And bro, I think we can continue with the prices. If we continue to be hearing all of them, baka kailangan ng pampalike moment.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
So, but maybe after I said these three things doon sa shinare ni Scorpio. Yung sinabi mo ngayon na good, hindi mo itinuloy yung balak mo kasi nga sabi mo alam mo mayroon pang halaga ang buhay mo. Tama yun? Because I just want to say na yung buhay natin, hindi lang para sa sarili natin, para din sa iba. Alright?
Correct.
Second thing, the PMF, the foundation, the Project Michelangelo Foundation. All of you angels there are very much lucky at dahil merong Project Michelangelo Foundation. Bakit? Very seldom ang merong mga ganyang klaseng organization na created such group looking for people like you para matulungan maging matatag sa kanilang buhay. Okay? So, we are not here to be just simply famous. No, we are here to really reach out and help each other. Okay? And that last thing, yung about the suicide thing, kanina, hindi ko lang sinabi sa inyo, it also came to my mind long time ago. Hindi ko na rin kasi binanggit yung part ng buhay ko na when I was doing business. I'm not sure whether naikwento ko na rin kay Tate Rondel to. After graduating, I continue my family business, but hindi naging successful, and then na-bankrupt and totally down financially. So, every night, laging nandoon yung sinasabi lagi ni Tate Rondel nyo na demons in myself. Nilalabanan ko yun. Laging nating lalabanan yun. It will cross your mind, but should not let it live in your mind and in your heart and in yourself. After that, hulog mo na lang. Well, actually, noon, umiinom ako, kaya nga niliyaya kanina eh. Joke lang. So, mahirap pero kailangan mo talagang labanan. And, dalawa na tayong survivor doon. It just crossed into my mind. Nothing really na ginawa ko specifically. Kasi, anything naman pwede mo maisip eh. Pero hindi naman lahat maisip mo gagawin mo. That's one thing to keep. Lahat pwede mong isipin, pero hindi lahat ng inaisip mo gagawin mo. Especially yung mga ganong bagay.
May I give the floor to or the mic to Harley to facilitate our question and answer portion.
Okay. So, I think si JB po yung unang magtatanong, Tay.
Okay. Go, Whiskey. Okay, go. Question coming from Whiskey. Address to whom? Sa akin o kay Tito Emang niya?
For Tito Emang,
Tay,
sir.
pwede din
Ay,
sa'yo.
Tay.
Sa akin, akala ko sa...
Ay, possible, pwede rin kang tatay yan.
Ay, okay. So, his question is, should we expect any activities or missions even having this situation right now?
Despite the pandemic, meron ba mga
Yes po, Tay.
missions? PMF missions. Sige, let's start with Tito Emang.
Okay. Personally, mahirap mag-decide kung magkakaroon ng mga missions para during this pandemic. But hindi matatawaran yung puso natin. We will continue to do whatever missions we can. We provided with proper observance ng protocol, first and foremost. So there will be still a mission para sa Project Michelangelo Foundation, which will be supported by yours truly. I'm constantly coordinating with your Tate Rondel as and when we collaborate. Most especially, bro, is this the one that we have talked about, the upcoming one?
Yeah, they knew already. Alam
Okay.
na nila.
So,
Ang sagot is yes.
yes. Sorry. Pinaikot-ikot tayo, no? Yes. Of course. I just want to say na huwag kayong pangbabaan ng loob kahit anumang yung sitwasyon meron. Gagawa tayo ng paraan. So, definitely yes. You just need to do the right way, the proper protocol.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Whiskey, the same answer, yes. But at the moment, bumalik ang provincial government, no? Ang LGU na local government, provincial level. Balik tayo sa GCQ because of the surge, and we are expecting surge in Malaybalay City this week, sana. Pero wala namang news na natanggap. I am praying, cross fingers, that on the middle of June, bababa na yung positive cases natin sa Malaybalay. So we can pursue with our missions. I think, my heart, no? Ever since, hinabol na tayo ng rebelde, sumakay na tayo ng habal-habal na ang bilis, muntik na tayong mahulog sa pangpang, and many others, no? But we never stop, no? But right now, being your tatay in the PMF family, I always look after your safety. If ever our safety is in jeopardy, definitely we will not going to pursue with the missions. Meron lang mga emergencies na tawag, like people who really need the help of PMF. That's the time that I respond with selective persons only. Hindi ko dinadala lahat kasi mahirap kapag malaki ang grupo. So in case there are missions requiring the services of PMF, pinipili ko muna. And if ever it's a new place and it is safe, I always bring everybody. Dahil alam ko ang limitasyon ng mga biyahin nyo. Yung iba sa inyo is hanggang coastal areas lang. Gusto ko kayong makabisita sa iba't ibang lugar. This is one of the advantages of being a PMF, right? There was one invitation nga, hindi lang natuloy, yung Camiguin. It's a very wonderful place. Kaya lang hindi natuloy, nagka-COVID. There was already a letter inviting us to go there and to train their school. Hopefully, pag mawala, vaccinated na tayong lahat, we will go there. So the question is yes, God's will, no? We will do missions kahit may COVID. So that's the answer to the question. Mimi?
Okay, so next question.
Sige tayo, thank
Ay,
you,
okay,
sir.
go, Jib. Okay. Thank you,
I
Jib.
think,
So, this next question is coming from me. So, this is for Tito Emang as well as pwede po siya kay tatay. So, my question is, pwede po bang malaman even a little bit about your visions and plans for the PMF Northern Mindanao volunteers for the coming years?
That's good, that's good.
Di po to pampi-pressure what. We just want to know po.
Careful with our commitment, naka-record.
Okay.
Sige, go, bro.
Ah,
Ay, ako na lang siguro mauuna, bro.
sige.
Ako mauuna. I am hoping that despite the, I know that for every volunteer who graduated PMF, and for those who have stayed with us, suffered the difficulties, shared the joys and the laughter, I know that you never give up. You never detach yourself from PMF. Si Thanos is one example, no? Kahit graduate, bumabalik. Kahit yung mga graduates natin na naging sundalo, naging firemen, bumabalik, nagpapasalamat, still trying to connect with everyone, no? Everyone that they are close with. So I am hoping, for plans, I am hoping that we can work with the new group that I am organizing right now in the main campus, ang Tribo. Tribo is a requirement for the university to be created dahil, I do not know, they are not convinced with the presence of students. Kasi sabi nila, ngayon, walang estudyante kapag may emergency sa school, wala akong response team. No? Despite na meron akong 2 tao dito. So, they asked me to create a team composed of faculty members. I am hoping, bro, na I'm not sure if they're interested, but I'm going to introduce PMF to them. So, kahit senior members, maging affiliated with PMF, hopefully. That's one of my plans. I-introduce ko na lang. Anyway, they are so interested with Dr. Ted Isguera. So, pwede si Doc ang gawin nating parang anchor.
Yeah. July.
Kasama sa PMF. So, I am hoping that they can work with you dahil during our trainings, early trainings, I hope you understand. Sa Bisaya, bro, ang tawag dito, balhibuan. Yun bang they are uneasy knowing that the young volunteers are there. Kasi mas magaling.
Understand.
No, I know that you are skilled and you are more organized and structured than Tribo kasi bago pa lang sila, no. So I hope that you can work with them. Okay, it's important for me to have a composite group that can work operations during disasters and emergency. That's one. Secondly, I can level up with my equipment. No problem with the adult group because the university can provide for them. They even provide uniform and PPE for the adult members. My concern is kamo. I always request for extra. I always request for bang procure other equipment that I can spare for you. Kanang with so much gratitude to the PMF, you have 2 new uniforms this year. I hope that this will last for 2 to 3 years na pwede nating ipagpapalit. With so much gratitude to Tito Emang for those who are recipients of the tactical red uniform and combat shoes, no? With us. Thank you very much, bro. Kayo talaga yung priority to receive this because I understand that even the contribution of 100 pesos is already very difficult for you. You just do our work, do your missions, and I will provide everything that you need so you can function safely and efficiently in the field. So in the future, I pray and I hope that we will grow. Kumukunti yung numbers natin. Wala tayong bagong recruits kasi walang regular face-to-face class and I find it so difficult to filter. Madali ang mag-invite. Mahirap ang mag-screen. Hindi ko nakikita yung mga bagong applicants so wala mo na. Not unless I meet them personally, makikita, mapo-profile ko. That's a time that we will admit new members. No? So yun ang dream ko, Harley. Bro, your turn.
Okay. Ano nga ulit yung question, Harley?
Sir? about what are your visions and plans for us PMF Northern Mindanao volunteers for the coming years po, sir?
Okay. Uh, about the thing, regardless may pandemic o wala, I remember it very well. I think pre-COVID time, I was somehow able to discuss with with your Ate Rondel on how can I contribute further, lalo na sa inyong mga angels. Like in the past, I have planned somehow like a small gathering during your birthdays, some papansit, and some small gifts. Unfortunately, we're not able to push with that one. So now, last Monday, napag-usapan namin ulit siya ni Ate Rondonyoy. Those are the plans. Personally, from my side, because I have this kind of characteristic, like if I can pamper somehow, some way, yung mga kaibigan ko, para to give them motivation, to make them more excited doing our PMF missions, I'll do my best na gawin iyon sa abot ng aking makakaya. So, okay. So for Northern Mindanao PMF, my vision is gagawin ko ang magagawa ko na mapangalagaan natin ang bawat isa sa inyo. That's why we started with this kamustahan. And then, slowly, your Tatay Rondel, with our coordination, he will lay out all the plans and programs on how to make it happen. Slowly, we can start this next month and little by little, just para maramdaman ninyo na bagamat nasa gitna tayo ng pandemya, ang PMF ilang angels ay iisang pamilya. So, we will do our best to fully support our angels, Northern Mindanao, as I have done it before. Most especially pag nakauwi na ako, and I hope I can visit you there. I can pay a visit. Then, and para naman mas maging personal yung ating interaction. Harley, I hope I was able to answer your question. Medyo nag-backed doon ako. Pero, but my
Okay po,
heart,
sir. Thank you po.
inside my heart is really, my intention is for each and every one of us to check on each other. And then, of course, other than that, if we can have some small celebration, papansit, small gift, small tokens, then that you can always remember that PMF is always there for you, that your fellow angel is always there for you. We'll try to make it happen and be successful on that. Thank you again, Harley.
Okay. Yes, yes po, sir. Tito Emang, thank you po, Tay, for reassuring us na, reassuring kayo ang mga words that you said, because for us volunteers man God, we are always willing man God, always me willing to volunteer, kahit anong activities pa yan, but sometimes is, medyo may sabit lang yun usahay po sa among personal, with our personal resources. That's why it's reassuring to hear na the support is there.
Yes,
Ganyan.
yes.
So, thank you.
Arlie, meron pa ba?
Last question na lang po, Tay.
Yes, go.
So, this is from the GC lang po, Tay, dahil I think they're having trouble with connecting. So, they want to ask Tito Emang if what inspired you daw po to have the eagerness to help others.
Yeah, that's good. That's a good question.
Okay. Hindi ko pala nabanggit, no? Hulaan niyo muna. Ano yung pinaka pangarap ko ng bata ko? I have mentioned graduate ako ng BS Accountancy. Just guess. Okay,
To
guardian.
become a
Guardian.
doctor.
Guardian.
Maging police o sundalo.
Okay, guardian got it correct. Yung pinaka-dream ko talaga na profession is either maging police o sundalo. Then, bumagsak ako sa accountancy, not realizing na yung puso ko pala nandoon sa pagsisilbi o pagtulong sa kapwa. So, that's why, kung natatandaan yung kaninang kinukwento ko sa inyo, yung midlife crisis. So then, para bang, yun yung nagbigay pa ng signal na I must find a way, pursue what is my childhood dream. Not necessary na maging pulis o sundalo kasi 46 na ako eh.
I would like to ask the two graduates, si Thanos and si Saga 17. I'll start with Thanos. Now that you are a graduate, what are your plans for PMF?
Magawa kami ng tree planting. So, I'm making a plan nga masubmit na ko to katatay, masubmit na ko sa imotay. Basin masuportahan nyo po kaning activities.
Sige, we will work on that, Thanos. Kuan lang kanang simple and short steps muna. Kanang organize and make your plans simple para achievable at your level. Huwag mo na yung mga malalaking missions. Keep it simple muna. What is important is you already have a group na pwede mong ma-organize. And then from there, we will talk about it. That's good, that's good. Thank you. Kuya, your turn. Saga. Any plans for PMF?
Well, to be honest, I don't have any plans. I'm just listening. But if I have to give my own opinion, yeah, well, since we're stuck in this PMF PMF, this COVID thing for the next maybe 3 to 5 years, might as well do some activities that is controlled. You see, I was browsing through the internet one day, and have you heard, everyone, of the Josh fight?
The name.
Yeah.
I think you shared
The
it.
meme, Josh fight meme. See,
Nakakita.
so if everyone don't know, last year some dude posted on Facebook. I mean, his name was Josh Swain, and he invited 100 people, and who's also named Josh Swain, in their chat. He asked the chat, "You know why we're here, right?" Another Josh Swain said, "Because we have the same name." The original Josh Swain then said, "Exactly. Meet me at these coordinates the next year, and we'll fight out who gets to pick the Josh Swain." And next year comes around, they really held a fight, a really awesome fight. People were expecting like punching or something violent, but instead they did a very controlled fight. They brought their own plastic swords. They made charity, and overall it was a fun event. And overall, they made a little 8-year-old boy the winner of the Josh Swain fight. Everyone else had to change their name. So that's like, for me, an opinion for plans for PMF, controlled, and so many outcomes. Outcomes are actually, the outcomes like that are very helpful for the community. Controlled, none of them were infected in COVID. This was organized too, and they had a charity event that actually raised $8,000, more than $8,000. Like for PMF for this future now is I don't like that. Like that, someone sets an event that not just us can, not just only the PMF can participate, but every other people in the world too. Maybe just a community, but just like that, everyone can participate and I don't know, maybe change it to a charity.
We will just think about it, kay thinking of a certain name for everybody to fight on.
Maganda yan, maganda.
Yun na lang sana, anything which can be done online, since you're good with computers, probably we can do an online social activity that will involve many people, and probably
Yeah.
we can raise funds for PMF. We'll plan it out. I only give you 10 seconds to give me the correct answers. Lahat ng papasok
Sali ba ako dyan, bro?
Hindi, ikaw magbibigay ng prize.
Hindi, sasagot.
Sasagot ka bro kasi ikaw rin yung nakakaalam ng sagot eh. So kapag pareho yung sagot at the last, yun. Ha? Okay, ready for 10 seconds. Question number 1. The price is at 30 pesos pang load. 30 pesos pang load.
50 na lang, tay.
50. Kunti lang yung
Wow,
price natin ngayon. 30
Okay.
lang para maraming
Pang go surf,
mananalo.
tay.
Go surf. Sige, let's try. Baka
Sige,
isang
bro.
question
Sige,
lang ma-erase ko.
Sige, bro.
Sige, ready? Within 5 seconds, I'm going to count now. 5 seconds. What is the call sign of Tito Emang La Chica? 5, 4, 3. Dalawa lang. Blaze got 2 points. Yeah, 2 points. Si Chris hindi na nakasagot sa number 2. Si Guardian hindi nakasagot sa number 1. Basically, dalawang winner lang ang ma-identify natin. We have Harley and Odi. So congratulations to our
Congrats.
winners.
Okay,
Huwag ka
bro.
mag-bias dyan, Prince.
Bro, before you end, remember meron akong sinabi kanina, I have this one question
Okay, yeah.
which the prize will be coming from me. Okay, but this one, whoever unmute first or at may bigay yung tamang sagot. Okay, my question is, why do you think my call sign is the Giant?
Hirap. That's a wonderful question. Ang hirap.
Try.
Okay,
Sige, Scorpio should go first, sir. Ay, ito.
For me, kaya po the Giant kasi hindi po ito pang offend pero kaya po the Giant kasi sa height po kasi nag-base or sa laki ng sa haba or sa height nga height. Yan po.
okay, I'll pick that one, Chris, but I want a more meaningful one.
Okay. Hindi ka tumama, Chris.
Try.
Okay, Harley?
I think, sir, same with Chris nga, your call sign is the Giant because even though before you were very little, I mean compared to your other classmates, you were little than them, but time came na you surpassed all of them, and also even though even though you consider yourself as a little man, you have giant dreams and goals in life, sir.
Okay, thank you, Harley. So, tama yun. The Giant, the word, the call sign, the Giant, or the word itself, may not only pertain to the height, to my physical appearance, but of course, literally, parang nandoon yun. But the Giant, it was first conceived from when I was primary grade 4 sa Boy Scout. When I lead the rest of the Boy Scout, that's when they call me the Giant. With a big determination and heart to lead, no matter how small I am, and with some of my scout leader much taller, bigger than me. Okay, bro, we have Harley and we have Scorpio.
Congratulations. Ay, may pa-premyo.
Thank you.
Baka pwede malaman bro yung premyo. Ano ba yung premyo? Pwede malaman.
Flat screen
Special
TV.
prize yun eh.
Noodles.
May Gcash ba? May Gcash ba sila?
Bro,
May Gcash ba sila?
Oh.
me.
Gcash.
Ay, wala ko yung Gcash. Wala ko yung Gcash.
Lang sa kuha, mami.
Ako
Gajan.
din.
Kuha na lang sa train kay para uban renta.
Yeah. Okay lang.
Gajan.
Para ma-control ang kwarta.
Gajan, ba't nawala si Gajan? Oh, what? Was it Gajan? Oh, Gajan, may Gcash ka?
Meron tayo.
Meron pala.
Team Maya pala yung tayo. PayPal ng Team Maya.
Wala ata.
Nako, tay.
Paano mo, bro? Si Harley,
Si Udi, meron. Anyway, si Udi, meron.
so I can
Facilitate.
I can pass it to Odi. Then Odi will be the one to give it to Scorpio and Harley.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sige tayo.
Okay, congratulations everyone. Bro,
Thank you.
may I ask you, congratulations for our wonderful kumustahan this morning. I was thinking changing the name to PMF Kape at Kumustahan.
Pwede. Parang, sabi nga ni Tatay Rondel nyo sa akin, just to share with you, kahapon, kinakabahan ako, ano ako magsasalita sa inyo. Kasi, hindi ako sanay sa ganito. But just like what your Tatay Rondel was saying, casual lang. So, I think bro, okay na yun. Kapihan o parang alam mo yun?
Parang merong like something that we do in the morning while nagkukumustahan.
Kung
Something like that.
sakasakali, just imagine ourselves like kung walang pandemic, hindi kita tayo sa isang meeting place. May table doon, may chairs doon, may yung kape. Like, naguhuntahan tayo. Ganun lang. Okay?
Okay. Tama.
Um,
Okay, bro, may I ask you
kinakabahan
for your final message for our first episode? Final message to our angels? Parang goodbye message for today, for the first episode?
Okay. I just wish na baka matapos na yung pandemya and then pay a visit sa inyo. But while we are waiting for that time to come, we will continuously do our best to check on each other, and we will continuously support for whatever missions and any other activities na makapagbigay ng growth sa ating emotion, sa ating mental, and to whatever extent it may help us. I wish you all the health and safe situation sa panahon na ito. Just always follow the protocols, and I'm sure being a PMF Angels, hindi nawawala yun sa ating isipan. We continue to study hard, live healthy, and work for the others, not just for ourselves. Thank you ulit for this time. Na-check niyo yung nakamusta ko kayo, and as well as nakamusta ko yung sarili ko.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
A round of applause to our Tito Emma. Thank you very much. My takeaway for today's pilot episode of our PMF, Kapihan at Kumustahan. I like it. Kapihan at Kumustahan is first, COVID has separated us physically. Physically. Like long distance relationship. Yan yung line ng ni Tito Emang ganyan. It has distanced us physically but never socially. We are connected socially. So everyone, stay connected. No? Remember that you have a family, and always believe in God, that God has shown you has sent you guardian angels to guide you every day. I'm always praying for you. I always pray for our PMF board of directors. To Brother Emang, I also pray for you, Brother Emang. I would like to thank our President of PMF, Dr. Jojo Saison, our Vice President, VP Aimee, and the officers of PMF. Thank you very much for the opportunity to serve the community and humanity under the flag of PMF. So I would like to close our first episode for today. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Harley, thank you for your assistance. And good morning and goodbye. Goodbye for now.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Isang umaga, ako'y ginising ng dilim ng mga sasakyan nakakalat sa daan. Kahalo ng busina ay sigaw ng makinarya. Bumubuga pa ng lason, nilalang nasisira. At ang sikat ng araw, ngayon'y wala ng pang-akit. Tanim ay nananangis dahil sa ipinalit na bakal at semento, tingga at aspalto. At ang tubig sa batis ay dinadamot na ng bukid. Ay, 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 ay. Bawiin mo, kaibigang langit, ang umagang nasira, naliligo sa putik. Ibalik mo ang gabing tahimik at lunurin mo ang isip ko sa tuluyang paghihimlay. Ayaw ko nang gumising sa kahirapan ng buhay. Alam kong dininig ng bathalang may gawa ang aking hinihiling, tahanang sariwa. Ang mahagkang muli, ang tubig sa sapa.